Has this ever happened to you? You have a friend, you like him a lot, you talk to him a lot. Everybody likes him, but it's just one thing. There's one thing that everybody hates about him, even you. He boasts a lot and all the time. He boasts about this, about that, about everything, about anything in the world. And you don't know if it's true because you don't really know him, but apparently he knows a lot about you, even if he asks you a question. He knows the answer, but yet he asks about it anyways, just to feel good about himself. What can you do? You can't say no. Well, you can't say yes. You can definitely say no, but saying no is always kind of boring, don't you think? No, 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 no. You might think to yourself, what can I do to avoid saying no? Well, there is a way to stop this. Not the guy, but just you, to stop saying no. You're still saying no, but you're just not saying no. Introducing the machine thing that uses physics to help you answer. Yeah. This machine uses an advanced technology called Newton's observed special hypothesis utilized to help universal people, or known as Shudu. Wait a minute. Also, don't you want something that you can just click on your phone and it does everything for you? Oh no, I'm not talking about an app, because that is way too expensive to make.
Alright, this is the machine. Now everything may seem very complicated at first, but I'll break down into step by step on showing you how physics applies to this and how this works. First off, there is a phone on a ramp. Now this phone will be dialed by another phone and causes it to vibrate. As it vibrates, it would slowly fall down the ramp. The phone is also attached to a string, which the string is attached to a small little piece of cardboard, which is stopping a small marble from rolling down another ramp. As the ball is rolling down the hill, it converts from potential energy into kinetic energy. As the marble is rolling down the ramp, it hits the dominoes, and the dominoes knocks over a small wooden block attached to a string, which the string is attached to the wall, and the wooden block would fall off and swing to hit another marble. The marble hitting the dominoes is called conservation of energy because the marble has given its energy to the dominoes, and as the wooden block swings, it's called the centripetal acceleration, since it's swinging like a circle. After the wooden block swings and hits the second marble drops into a cup, which the cup uses a simple machine called a pulley to drop down. The cup drops down is also because of gravity. After the cup drops down, a magnet on the bottom of the cup attracts to the magnet on the bottom of that board. When the two magnets attract to each other, the cup starts to tilt because of the mass of the balls being still inside. The cup falls down like this because of magnetic force, and so that tip of the cup stays in place. But since the cup is still falling, the open end of the cup would still fall and reach to the bottom and then would stop. After it stops, the cup would be more tilted and the marble inside the cup would come out. After the marble rolls out, it will roll off onto a ramp, off another ramp, off another ramp, off another ramp, then off the final ramp. After it goes onto the final ramp, the marble drops down in a hole and turns on the on switch of a power extension. Since the power button's on, that means the electric circuit is connected. Therefore, it releases electrical energy to start a fan. When the fan starts, the wind of the fan will blow onto the tennis ball and onto a small metal marble and the metal marble and the tennis ball would start rolling down, the metal marble would hit the Newton's cradle and start an elastic collision. The wind from the fan will also knock over a pole, which goes onto one side of a lever and raise the lever up. Now let's see how all this works out. There are so many different ways you can use this. For example,
Hey, have you ever went skydiving? Hey, have you ever went bungee jumping? Hey, have you fired a gun before? Hi guys, I used to washroom. You a smart guy? The amount of possibilities is infinite. So what are you waiting for? Come on down to the store and get... What?
We don't have a store anymore.
What do you mean we don't have a store?
It was shut down because we couldn't sell anything for 5 years.
Infinite.